Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today, we are going to be drawing the leader of the Bad Batch himself, Hunter. It's been a while since we've done a drawing tutorial on the channel, and you guys said that you wanted to see him return, so I'm coming back with a vengeance, and we're getting back into these drawing tutorials. I think I'm going to try to do one new character a month that relates to whatever show or whatever's hot in Star Wars at the time. So with Season 2 of The Bad Batch coming out, I figured we'd draw a character from that show. Let's not waste any more time, and let's get straight into this drawing tutorial. So the first thing we're going to start with is the helmet area and the eyebrow part that goes over the visor. Again, guys, feel free to pause and stop the video at any time if you get behind or you just need some time to perfect an area of the drawing.
Soldier Rex.
The next thing we're going to start with is the shoulder pad that goes to the left arm, I believe, and that is going to be the arm that's holding his knife there, and then his right arm will be just a fist that's peeking out from the side of his body. So we're getting a little bit more complex here with these. Normally I do really simple designs for drawing tutorials so that they're easier to follow along with, but I mean, we've been doing drawing tutorials for close to a year now, so I kind of want to step it up and give you guys something to work on and kind of master your skills a little bit more. So let me know if that's something you're into. And now we're going to get started on the chest, or the breastplate armor, I guess you want to call it. There's this big dip that goes from the neck down to the pectoral area, if we're getting all scientific. And there's like these kind of ridges that go down from the neck area, which is also on the Republic Commando armor, which I think is a really nice touch, and it just makes the Bad Batch members feel a little bit more elite. But nonetheless, it's going to be a little tricky to draw because you have to show some dimension and some downward sloping materials there, if that makes any sense. And now we are starting on the right arm. So the same kind of deal with the big shoulder pad, the big shoulder bell, if that's what you want to call it. And then the arm will be poking out from the inside of his torso there. So it'll kind of look like his arm's bent and he's having a fist in his hand, like he's, an explosion happened behind him and he's turning around to see what happened. The next step is we're going to be drawing in the backpack. For some reason, the Bad Batch has massive clone backpacks, so mine's going to stretch on the outside of the page a little bit, the frame. And so, yeah, if you guys have extra room on your papers, then go ahead and fill in the rest of the backpack, but I ran out of room just because those backpacks are so freaking large. Now that we have that backpack drawn, it's just going to be cleaning up the mess. We have our basic sketch of Hunter done, and so now I've sped it up a little bit, and we're just going to be cleaning up those lines and adding some weathering and some details. So again, feel free to pause if the time lapse is going a little bit too fast for you, but I didn't want to have a 30-minute video on how to draw Hunter, so I sped this part up a bit.
You're a good soldier, Rex.
Now that you guys have gone in and cleaned up the sketch and added some battle damage, I think it's safe to say that our sketch of Hunter is complete. Thank you so much for watching, and see you on the next one. Guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you learned something about how to draw Hunter from the Bad Batch. This is the Season 1 version just because I personally like that look more. I think Season 2 is cool with the orange and the whole apocalyptic thing, but I like the red and black. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you want to see me draw another character, then go ahead and put it in the comments section down below, and I'll take a look at what you guys want to see next. Again, guys, thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and may the Force be with you always.